Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you have a BMW with that style key fob guys that has been used on BMW 1 Series, 2 Series, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Series guys and X3, stay with us, we'll explain how to remove and replace key fob battery on that BMW guys, key fob style. Now, quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here guys, we make at least 200 to 300 videos, we take them completely apart, and why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy a replacement battery or anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we buy all our parts from for a really good price, fast shipping as well guys. Now, another thing, before we start, if you have a BMW with a 4-cylinder 2.0 twin turbo engine guys, stay until the end. I want to show you something that can save you thousands of dollars guys. So, let's replace the key fob battery and then I'll explain to you guys, okay, what needs to be done to make sure your BMW runs good forever guys. So right here, okay, press in and release the key, pull it out. What do we do after that? Okay, you can see there is one clip right there, pry it like that. Okay, let me focus quick. Perfect. Now we pull it out guys. This is where your battery is located. This is a very heavy duty style battery and we'll have the link to see where you can get it from. For a really affordable price guys. This is what it looks like, very heavy duty. At the local store they want amazing amount of money for that battery, that's why we get them online. So right here now we go in an angle, push it in, okay, and all we have to do, grab the case cover right here, that clip. Okay, let me focus quick. That clip, we need to slide it in and lock it. Listen now for that click. Perfect. Now, what do we need to do next? All we have to do, go ahead and plug in your key in the key fob. Okay, and perfect. We're ready to go, guys. That's how you guys remove and replace the key fob battery. Now, if you guys, if you have that engine, N20 engine, this is a twin turbo 4-cylinder gasoline engine that has been used on BMW 1 Series, 2 Series, 3. It has been used 4 Series, 5 and also X1 and X3 guys. Okay, we just developed a problem at 87,000 miles, timing chain failure. This is the timing chain guide in pieces guys. Timing chain tensioner failed as well, so we'll have the video from start to finish how to actually remove and replace timing chain. We'll explain guys what ears are affected, because certain ears are affected guys, and if you have those, okay, you just want to change your timing chain or you're gonna say goodbye to your engine. Currently the engine sell used engine for about $3,500 to $4,000 plus labor to replace it. You don't want to risk it guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you that needed a battery, key fob battery replacement instructions. Thank you for watching and see you next time.